Upgrade your workspace with the top 5 laptop tripod stands of 2025. Perfect for home offices, presentations, and on-the-go setups, these adjustable, sturdy, and versatile stands keep your laptop secure and at the ideal height. Discover the best options for comfort, mobility, and productivity. Number 1 Laptop Tripod on Wheels with 2 Shelves, Portable Projector Floor Stand Adjustable Height 25.9 to 51.8 inch with Phone Holder 3-in-1 Projector Stand, equipped with 2 adjustable trays and a gooseneck phone holder. Enjoy the versatility of mounting combination of projector and laptop. Or find the right place for your wrist keeps you in correct body postures to prevent wrist pain and injury from bad postures. Removable wheel, 3 silent swivel wheels make rolling and maneuvering this projector stand a breeze. Each wheel has a separate brake, ready to secure your setup and place multifunctional stand. It is made of rugged and durable metal. The bottom is a reinforced tripod structure, which provides excellent stability. The top tray max load 11.1 pounds, so more than just projector, easy to put a notes book or tablet or laptop or sheet music on the tray. Number 2 Projector Stand Tripod Adjustable Height 20 to 60 inch, Portable Laptop Tripod with Gooseneck Phone Holder Mouse Tray, Projector Stand Outdoor Laptop Floor Stand for Podium Studio, DJ Racks Multifunctional Projector Stand Dorwad Laptop Floor Stand is capable of working as a provisional workstation for your laptop. The extra-large top tray supports a variety of device sizes such as projectors, laptops, music players, and DJ equipment. The laptop tripod stand features a stable triangular design, while the silicone non-slip feet further increase the stability of the projector stand while avoiding scratches on the floor. With a weight capacity of up to 55 pounds, it can hold almost any electronic device in your home. The projector stand tripod is easy to install. We provide detailed installation instructions and it will only take you a few minutes to assemble. It is a great choice for users looking for a stable and reliable stand for their home projector or laptop. The laptop floor stand is compact and can be folded into the carrying case we provide for easy portability. Number 3 Laswimi Projector Tripod Stand, 50-inch laptop stand with 2 shelves for projector, iPad, DJ equipment, portable adjustable floor stand with gooseneck phone holder for office, home, stage, or studio. It is designed with non-slip rubber pads, won't risk your devices of tip over or slipping. Multifunctional. Both trays of this tripod are made of iron. The beverage tray is detachable and movable. With a mobile phone holder and beverage tray, it can allow placing extra stuff like coffee cup, remote, snack and so on. As a professional projector stand, this tripod is capable of working as a provisional workstation for your laptops, music book, tablet and so on. Allows you to use your projector, laptop or iPad for everyday entertainment, conferences, presentations and more. Stability by using all aluminum pipe, all metal trays. This projector stand can withstand up to 40 pounds of pressure and designed with high-quality non-slip rubber floor mats. It won't risk your property of tip over or slipping. All joints are fixed with knobs. You can automatically adjust the tightness to achieve your desired firmness. The base with connecting bars has a triangular design for improving stability. Number 4 Projector Tripod Stand, Height Adjustable 27-inch to 62 and Floor Projector Stand, Portable Laptop Stand, Camera and Light and Ball Joint, well made, easy to adjust, DJ Rack and Music or Movie Stand. Portable Universal Projector Tripod Stand is ubiquitous in usage, well made, and easy to adjust. Height versatility and portability make PropView Projector Stand irreplaceable tool. Pure pitch black color, along with a comprehensive and thorough design is stunningly looking. Adjustable tripod stand perfectly fits any room. Detailed approach makes the stand truly capable anytime. Mobile laptop stand is super functional and intuitive in its shape. Tilt and height adjustments provide immense flexibility in portability and equipment acceptability. Safety pins protects from fall. Cameras, LED lights, action cameras or speaker can be used with the ball head that is secured beneath the stand. A multifunctional stand can be used with a table or 360-degree adjustable ball joint. Number 5 2 Shelves Mobile Projector Stand, Rolling Laptop Stand Adjustable Height to 47 inches, Podium Stands with Ventilated Tray, Heavy Duty, Laptop Floor Stand for Office, Home, Stage, DJ Mobile Laptop Stand. The projector and laptop stand is made of a sturdy and durable aluminum alloy materials. Equipped with 2 adjustable trays with 4 high-quality silent casters that can swivel freely. Two casters can be locked to increase the utility and safety of this product. Adjustable height and angle GSOW projector stand with two shelves easily adjust the height up to 47" with the top tray able to conveniently tilt up to 30 degrees. Unique adjustable snap design makes it easier for you to adjust the right height, which is essential for you whether you use it for office or home entertainment. Discover the ease of multitasking with the projector stand's two-tray innovative design, catering to your laptop and projector, plus a mouse or any combination of equipment and devices. Perfect for home, stage, meeting, party.